When it comes to upgrading our computers, we all want two things: blazing fast performance and the peace of mind that comes with reliability. That's precisely why the Crucial T500 2TB SSD caught my eye, standing out from the competition. This SSD isn't just fast, it's among the top performers in the market, boasting speeds up to a jaw-dropping 7,400 megabytes per second. However, it's important to note that if your setup runs on PCIe Gen 3 x4, the maximum speed you'll experience is around 4 GB per second due to the inherent limitations of this technology. The maximum theoretical speed of a PCIe 4.0 x4, 4 lanes, connection is approximately 8 gigabytes per second, in each direction. This doubling of speed from PCIe Gen 3's 4 GB per second per x4 connection is due to PCIe 4.0's improved bandwidth of around 2 GB per second per lane, compared to PCIe 3.0's approximately 1 GB per second per lane. Heat can be a major enemy of performance, but that's where the Crucial T500 shines even brighter. Its built-in heatsink works tirelessly to dissipate heat, ensuring your SSD operates coolly and reliably, even during intense computing sessions. This not only enhances performance but also extends the lifespan of your drive, offering you smoother operation and peace of mind for years to come. What's more, Crucial goes the extra mile by including free Acronis True Image Software with the T500. This powerful tool simplifies the process of migrating your existing data to the new SSD, ensuring a seamless transition without the headache of manual transfers. Whether you're upgrading from an older SSD or a traditional hard drive, this added bonus makes the switch effortless, allowing you to enjoy your new drive speed and capacity without delay. In summary, the Crucial T500 2TB SSD is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost their computer's speed and reliability. With top-tier performance, cooler operation thanks to its innovative heatsink, and the added convenience of easy data migration with Acronis True Image, it's an upgrade that offers immediate and tangible benefits. So, if you're feeling held back by your current system, it might be time to consider stepping up to the Crucial T500.